Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about the difference between abstract class and interface. So basically, interface will have the same methods without bodies as in abstract class we create abstract methods. So let's just create an interface and let me show you how it works. Interface, and I'm just gonna name it one interface. And to create methods, we don't have to write abstract keyword. We can directly create functions here. So function run maybe, and in here we don't have to give any functions their bodies, so it will be an error if we do that. So yeah, we don't have to give any bodies here as well. So now in here, as we are extending from doc class, we can implement the interface as well. So we write comma and then one interface, and it will now give us a warning here that we'll have to implement all the methods that are in the interface. So control enter, or sorry, alt enter or control I, just go and press control I in your keyboard and implement the method. So here it is, and I'm gonna just print line. I ate too much, now I want to run. So again, we can now access this method run from our main function as well. So this is basically the key difference between interface and abstract class. In interface, we create as many methods that we want without a function body, and we don't need to write an abstract keyword before any function. That's a basic main difference between abstract classes and interfaces. So yeah, that's how you use interface in your code as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video, where I'll probably start videos about Android now. So because Kotlin, the basics of Kotlin are mostly covered, so I'll see if anything is left. Otherwise, I'll from the next video we'll start Android development with Kotlin. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.